Honorable Albert.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Since Babita Dekeran's tragic murder, much has been said, many were shocked and infuriated, and many a tear was shed due to this terrible, unnecessary taking of life without remorse. But not enough has been done. For the price she has paid for being upright and honest, for thinking of others above and beyond herself, is actually a moral compass pointing to the various sins in this province and in this country. What her sacrifice tells us are twofold. Human life here is not worth very much. The murder statistics reveal all. And secondly, there is a Leviathan that has taken hold of large parts of the state systems. We have to be honest with each other. Despite the hard work of the police and the SIU, amongst others, too many people are dying at the hands of criminals. Statistics have a way of masking personal lived experiences, but they do tell us that many people's lives have been taken away in the name of fleeting material things. For every number in a statistic, there is the frightful last breath of a person fighting to stay alive, the family and friends left broken with grief, and a community in fear, knowing someone amongst them may be next. Babita Dekeran also showed us that there is an evil force at work, a Leviathan that has wormed itself into every important fabric of society, with a special penchant to lodge itself within state procurement systems. And it's still metastasizing, growing stronger and transforming into that fearful thing that can destroy countries, also known as the mafia state. If there's one thing that presents a clear and present danger for order in Gauteng and the sovereignty of this country, it is a transformation of the state apparatus as defenders of the rights of the people into partisan machinery that will destroy those who stand in its way to satisfy its perpetual material hunger. Time marches on relentlessly. How many times has someone stood in front of an open grave and thought, if only I can go back in time? But we cannot. We can only try to learn the lessons of ancient wisdom and start to live them now. Thou shalt not kill is no frivolous Bible law. It is designed to protect us against each other and to ensure that civilization can prosper. Given this knowledge of the sanctity of life, and given that we can only live into the future, how then can we honor Babita Dekeran? We can place her name on new buildings and streets, build a monument, and talk endlessly on this subject. But our sense, as the Freedom Front Plus, is given her brave and practical conduct to expose crime and ensure consequences for criminals, it is incumbent upon us to ensure that we actually rid our world of the Leviathan. We must stand up to the dragon and strike it down and destroy corruption. We must see what Babita Dekeran pointed us to. Thank you.